Hey everyone, welcome back to Twirl Craft Studio. Okay, you know that moment when you look around your house and think, my plants deserve better than sitting in boring pots? Yeah, that's how this happened. Today, we're making this super cute wooden copper air plant holder. It's modern, it's artsy, and honestly, it looks like something you'd find in a fancy home decor store. But the best part? You can make it yourself in under 20 minutes. Let's get crafting. Here's what you'll need for this project: wooden rings in a few different sizes, a wooden bead or ball for the base, copper wire, hot glue, and of course an air plant, because we're classy like that. Start by stacking your wooden rings, biggest to smallest, kind of like a wooden ice cream cone. Add a bit of hot glue between each layer to keep them secure. Don't worry if it's not perfectly straight. A little handmade charm never hurt anyone. Plus, we're calling it artsy asymmetry if anyone asks. Once your stack is done, glue a wooden bead right underneath. This will help attach it to the copper wire base. It's already starting to look fancy, like a tiny wooden spaceship for plants. Now grab your copper wire and start coiling it into a spiral. You can wrap it around a marker, a dowel, or even just your fingers. Just don't poke yourself. We're going for DIY project, not battle wound story time. You are going to make a small spiral for the inside of the holder. Then put the wire through the wooden holder and start making your base spiral. I usually start off with pliers, but I find it easier to just continue the spiral with my hands. After this, I found through trial and error to put a little glue to the inside spiral to hold it in place and to make the wire more sturdy. And now, the grand finale, your air plant. Just nestle it right into the top of your wooden ring stack. Behold the royal sprout, and there you have it, your own modern air plant holder. It's simple, it's stylish. See you next time. And remember, stay crafty and keep twirling.